You know the cool in there, you man finally reach. My sister-in-law this. She, my brother take care of in my absence. You know? My brother down there, so Ireland boss that. So
this is it. Mr. Chef, everywhere he goes, it's Mr. Chef. Cooking for the fam.
guys, good morning. So as you can see, we're at the airport. Unfortunate situations happened. We came, didn't get a notification that our flight is cancelled and we had to rebook. Luckily,
Can you pass my water, please?
luckily they help us at the at the check-in, you know, tell us that we are rebooked. We didn't get even a notification saying that the flight was cancelled and it is rebooked. So yeah, we have an early morning flight, but unfortunately that doesn't happen, cancel and we rebook. So yeah, we are off to a later flight. So you know, the time in the airport, the worst time, but never guess what, that's not gonna spoil our trip, right? It's a family visit, and that ain't gonna stop the trip. So how are you feeling, Raj?
I'm going to airplane.
You going into the airplane? How are you feeling, babe?
Yeah.
I'm tired.
Yeah, this is it, man. We didn't get enough rest either. Like, and you know what's surprising? From all the years I'm traveling, the first I ever go on like a morning flight, early morning flight, and it's cancelled. It's a disappointment. So, you know what? That's not gonna stop us. We're gonna go. We're gonna just wait until. So, come along with us on our journey. Yes, guys. So this is it, the airport. You know, early morning, so it's big and empty, but yeah, come with us and see where we are going.
But nothing out of the usual. As a reminder, this is a non-smoking flight, which also prohibits use of electronic cigarettes and seatbelt and no smoking signs at the front of the cabin. The Beechcraft 1900 is
smallest
equipped with
plane I've
several
ever been on in my
speakers. I'd like to draw
life.
your attention to all.
So guys, our flight was canceled, as Babe said. So they put us on this plane.
Baby flight. Yeah.
I've never been on a plane so small in my life. But the good thing is we're going to Vancouver, and then from Vancouver straight to Toronto. So
He wanted plane ever since. So this is his moment. Look at him. You're on the plane?
Yeah.
Okay. You're excited?
Yeah.
Are you?
You got a window seat too.
So apparently we're going to feel every bump, every gust of wind. But it's only 30 minutes, so. And it's freezing. It's so cold. But at least Babe gets his knee in the middle. Oh my god.
Look at the point. Ooh, it's high sky.
It's going in the sky. Woo! Is it? Oh, his ears? Give him a piece of gum. Are your ears hurting? Yes, my love.
Wait, so fast.
Yeah, we're going up in the clouds.
You're going down. Look at that.
So guys, this is Vancouver Island and we're going to Vancouver. So it's just a 30-minute flight. So we live on an island, we're going to the mainland. And then taking another flight to Toronto. We just got on the plane and we're getting off. It wasn't too bad. Okay guys, we made it to Vancouver. Oh, isn't that cool? Don't fall in now. A lot of money, eh? Okay, don't touch Gregory. Come on. We'll check back in a minute. Do you need to come to the bathroom with Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, come here. Put your bag down and we'll go use the washroom. No, come with Mommy. Come this way. Come. Okay, so long weekend. It's probably busy, but it doesn't seem to be too bad. I don't know where I'm going.
Look, Mom.
Good job. You can put your own bag on? Oh, wow.
Okay, Mom, upstairs.
Hold on, babe. Number four.
Now 4.
Yeah.
This one.
Right here. About this up here.
Where are we going on the plane, Raj?
I'm going bigger one.
You're going on a bigger one, yeah. But are we going to Toronto? Okay. Come follow Mommy and Daddy. Food time. Yummy, yummy. Eggs. Ooh, we're gonna have a feast, y'all. Yeah. So apparently Tim Hortons is like way on the other end of the airport, so Starbucks it is. It's actually pretty good. The last time I was in the airport, I had to be transported everywhere because I couldn't walk with my knee. Feels good to be healthy and walking. I'm very grateful. I'm thankful that I can do this now. But anyway.
Rock ND for WestJet flight 108 to Cal.
Okay guys, we made it. We're on the plane. Now we can get some sleep, right guys? Some sleep. I think it's what, a 5-hour flight or something like that?
5 hours.
Yeah, so we're going to Toronto and we are tired guys, so we're probably going to be snoring the whole way.
And we got 4 wonderful planning to leave 2 minutes early.
Full plane.
Once you're airborne, it'll be 4 hours, 12 minutes.
We were all in separated seats, so they stuck us in the back so we could sit together.
We're expecting a smooth flight.
Going now?
I'm going on a train.
You're going on a train. Oh my goodness. We're going to pick up our rent-a-car.
A big train.
Yes. Traveling.
I'm exhausted.
Me too. No sleep. Well, no, a little bit of sleep on the plane. Are we on the train?
Yeah, Mommy.
Wow, you're getting all the experiences. Lots of excitement for Raj. Well, guys, we're in our rental car. Oops. We're finally in our rental car. We're in Brampton right now, which is close to Toronto, but it's called Brampton. Babe said, "You want to drive, hun?" No. Look at this. Well, at least we're not over there. We're here. So we got a Toyota RAV4. On our way to the Airbnb. So guys, we've been on the go. We woke up at 2:30 a.m. We got to the airport at around 4:15 and realized our flight was canceled. We waited around and our next flight was 7:30. Went to Vancouver, flew directly to Toronto. And here it is, 7:12 p.m. I don't think we can see, there we go, 7:12 p.m. It's just starting to get dark in Toronto. So it's been a long day, y'all. A long day. Brampton seems like a really nice place. Beautiful homes. I was in Brampton a long time ago, back in, gosh, I might have been in my 20s then. Curious if any of our subscribers or viewers are from Brampton.
I think a couple of them for sure.
Let us know in the comments. We just came off Mavis Road, so yeah. The sky looks so black. I think it's going to rain. Oh my goodness. Looks like it's gonna downpour. One thing we noticed since we got here, it's freezing. It is so cold. And when we were on the plane, they were like, welcome to Toronto. It's what, 14 degrees? It literally feels like it's what, 2? It's freezing.
Oh, babe, you have a different skin, you know. So.
Yeah.
Guys, babe have a different skin from all of us. She's easily cold.
Oh, it's piercing right. It's hurting my hands. It's piercing right through. What did you say? Who we going to see, Raj?
Auntie, KK, and Uncle.
Yes. That's where we're going to see. Good. Let me tell you guys, I met my match when I met Akeen because I love to travel. Even though I don't like traveling, but I love to travel. Is that weird? The actual day of traveling sucks. Packing sucks, but I love experiencing new places, visiting new places. Yeah. It's been so long since I've been in Toronto. I'm excited.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. This one is 29 right here. Yeah, 29 right here. Okay. That's our place, y'all. KK. I'm gonna help you. Okay. This one's heavy.
Wagwan. My medium. I know you near right here. My medium.
Who's this man here? Who's this man?
Yeah, that's all.
Oh, why are you acting all scared? Oh.
You know the cool in there, you have a final reach. My sister-in-law this. She, my brother take care of her in my absence. You know? My brother down there, so Ireland boss that. So if you don't follow me up on the social media and you see, most of them follow me up on the social media and you see my post. My brother music, yeah, him, Ireland boss that. You understand? Yeah, man, of blood. Them man take care of Rajero right through my gun until I can there back. And look how we meet up in a Toronto. You don't know the style. So yeah, man, a family.
And this is the man's voice you hear at the end of all of our vlogs.
Yeah. That jingle
look
there?
him up,
That
Ireland
jingle
Boss.
there? Yeah, man, that Ireland boss. Him do it. Yeah, man, so. Yeah, man. You see, him did it from day one. And you understand how we a family. Yeah, so we go to work. So, yeah, man, that is it, you know, family.
Yeah,
Reunion, you know, all day travel. But you don't know the style. Yeah, I eat this, I connect up. And just stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. You understand me? I'm going to give you a tour of the house and thing and all the style. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Videographer. All the style, because video I shot and something, you know. So, bathroom. Next bathroom is a Airbnb, you know, guys. So, when you know the thing, we just give you a fast run through. Next room right here, so yeah. Just for 5 days we there and something, so I don't know the thing, only if a vlogger come. Yeah.
Take care of Rajero, guys.
So I'm looking at this room now. Yeah. You see the thing, the house is nice in a Brampton, man. You understand? Yeah. Closet and it's like master bedroom. Yeah. This is where dynasty, you know? Yeah. So we get a view of the place, guys. Yeah, that is it, you know? Yeah, the bathroom. This is how the place look. It's a Airbnb we get, and this is how the place look, you know? Bathroom are big. This could have passed for a room. See how look? Yeah. Could have sleep in this, you know? Yeah, guys. The bath and the commode different in here, so all the thing go. Yeah. Well, guys, remember I'm telling you this. I never actually telling you before, but I'm a bro this. Throughout my absent, him take care of Rajero right through. And you know the thing, when I was younger, him not leave me either, you know. I did bally. He never like that something there, but he never leave me either. You understand? Yeah, man. So me come get the boy of the family. He get 2 girls, so you know, just take on to my son and a greatness, man, bro. You understand? And I appreciate it right through. You know, we have to make the room and make it happen. And you know, reunite in a foreign. You understand? We always there still a reunite, but we reunite in a foreign is the greatest blessing that. You understand? Yeah, man. So yeah, man, a code, man, you know? Yeah. The whole family should have there, but you know, next time we're gonna make it happen. You understand? So yeah, man, just stay tuned for the vlog, them. You know the style, you know? A blessing up and blessing, bro. You hear that?
That is it.
Yeah, man. Code.
Hey, guys. Babe went to the studio with his brother. So let me just give you a little tour of where we're going to be staying. So this is it. Nice rig. Whoa. I said nice rig. Rainy day today in Brampton, guys.
So the gear stick, look, you have to press it like that.
Wow. That's another nice one. Whoa. Yeah. Rainy day. Yes, I did, honey.
Yeah, I jelly that. I got next. You know the style. Yeah, I work a poutine, man. New day, new vlog. Me and babe, they in a Walmart shop cause you know, food have to cook. Yeah, they are big old mansion and no food now cook. You see it? So that's what we're about. So I bring on with me. I cook some food today for the family. And you know we have a whole heap of guests over too, so yeah, that is it. I cook some food and ensure the house alright, you know? So that is it. Yes, baby?
Pharmacy, do you know where you're going?
I probably have to ask some questions, but we'll get there.
Babe, do you love me?
What are you coming with now, baby? What's going on? What happened?
Okay. I love you so much. Like, you don't even you guys don't even understand how much I love this man. Because there's a reason. No, but I mean, there's lots of reasons, but.
What's the reason?
So, we're in Walmart, right? And he's like, okay, can you go get this and this? And so I go and get it, come back to where he's supposed to be, and he's not there. So he's trying to call me, but I guess the reception is not bad in Walmart. It is bad, and I wasn't receiving his phone calls. So when I called him, he was at the place where he told me to go. So I get mad, and I'm like, why would you tell me to go and get it? And now I'm looking for you. You're not here, and you know, and I'm in this big Walmart in Toronto. And anyway, I said, well, I got it. So I kind of got like a little short. He comes over right nice and quiet, and he had it in his hand, the same thing that I had. And I'm like, well, that was a waste of a trip. And I'm getting kind of like, you know, and he's just like, it's okay. Let's just go pay for it. You know, everything is just nonchalant. And then we're going to get Tim Hortons. And I don't know, I just feel like sometimes I act like a spoiled brat. And I get kind of mad. But he's just right calm and right peaceful, and he just loves me for who I am, I guess, and lets me be me.
In 300 meters, turn right onto Spicebush.
At the end of the day, I'm a man and you're a woman. You have emotions, right? So, like, I try not to travel with mines on my sleeve. You know what I mean? And the quicker you try to solve the issue and just die down, it's better for both of us. So, like, that's just how I roll, man. Like, you know what I mean? But
just because in past relationships, the men would get so mad at me. Like, you know, one guy I was with, I'm not going to say because I don't want to, like, you know, bad mouth guys, but still, one I was with wouldn't talk to me for weeks if I talked like I did today. Another one would like be in an argument the whole day, you know what I mean? Like, but babe just lets it go, and it's like,
there's a worth it at the end of the day.
And I was like, you don't understand how much I love you, because I just need to calm down, and then I'm okay. I'm just a little bit high strung
something
sometimes.
that I value more, and it's peace of mind too, right? And why talk my woman and I talk to her for days? It just don't make any sense. It just like just don't make any sense to me.
So we're laughing most of the time because he's not an argumentative person.
What I realized too, I don't cut it, babe, but what I realized too, like when, like, for instance, you're in those type of relationship, I feel like it leaves some form of scar on the like either the late, like, I feel like it leaves some form of scar with either the ladies or the men. You know what I mean? If the other person is as aggressive, so like with that I try not to, like, I learn over the years not to. It makes no sense to be aggressive and keep fighting, and you know what I mean, because you're not just fighting, but you're affecting the other party too, right? So like, if you bring positive energy, then there's nothing more that matters than just positivity. So that's what I'm promoting, and you know what I mean, I'm trying to bring a difference where my baby is concerned too, right? Because she have been through a lot, and if you love a person, there's no way you're gonna, like, continue to hurt them emotionally, you can continue to hurt them physically. It just don't make any sense. So, like, I've learned that, and personally here, since I've been here, I've done a lot of courses that help me with that. Like, with just family, how you bring up your family, how you react to emotions and stuff. And I feel like over time, because I was a bit aggressive in the past too, where I just like push the fire with fire, but I feel like over time I've learned, and with the courses that I've done, because like my jobs here in Canada, like they update you with courses upon courses upon courses. So like I feel like with those it helps me a lot too with how I deal with situation, you know what I mean? How I deal with a person that is of anger issues, that so like it just helps. So like she's saying something to me, you know, and I'm reflecting, like I'm just naturally reflecting, and I'm like, over time I really change, you know what I mean? It just don't make any sense to me to know that I'm gonna have my woman or I have my family and we're at war. Just, you know what I mean? So it's always just good to like just take a different approach, you know what I mean? And it's refreshing, it's good.
Yeah, and I don't even know what, because, okay, first of all, I was getting a little bit of anxiety being in that store. There were so many people. I mean, we're used to being in a small town now, and there's not a lot of people. So, you know, we're in Brampton now. We go into the store. I mean, there's people everywhere. There's kids crying, screaming. I can't even focus on what it is I'm looking for and what we need. So then I felt like I was getting a little short with him, but he's just so calm and peaceful. Like, it's God gave me the man that I needed. Let me tell you. I just wanted to tell you I love you so much, and I appreciate the way you are to me, and you love me. That I can just be who I am and be at peace and not have to think about how I need to act or what I need to say. You know what? Does that make sense?
Yeah. So guys, basically, she just literally just out of nowhere, I love you so much. And I'm like, babe, what are you coming with now? Like I don't understand it, you know what I mean? Because we were just literally just driving home, and she's like, so I'm like, okay, like,
because
so.
like he said, when you've been through so much trauma in your life, like mentally and emotionally,
it's like you're cracked. It's like you don't know how to like approach any situation anymore. When I just met my wife, she usually just skeptic on what to say or how to say it and stuff, and I got to make her know that, hey, it's free will. Say whatever is on your mind. I want to know about you. I want to learn about you. If you locked up everything in here, me as a person is gonna learn or know what you're about or know about you as a person. So like it takes her a lot of time to really open up, but over time she open up because she know that I'm not the type of person that's gonna judge her, like, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna take her past and tell her about it, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna take her past and make she feel as if, oh, she's nobody. Because at the end of the day, man, like, if you make somebody have their own free will, you'll be surprised to see the amount of quality they can possess, you know what I mean? And when a person is free and her heart is free and her mind is free, you'd be really surprised to see like the amount of things that person can offer to you, just mentally, physically, you know what I mean? Just improve you as a person in general, you know what I mean? So yeah, I had to like allow her to work on herself first and be comfortable in doing that before we could do anything else, you know what I mean? And this is us today, you know what I mean? And yeah, that's just it.
And you know, like, we rented this vehicle, and I'm like, I don't know this place, I don't want to drive, so he's driving, and everything is just nothing's an argument. It's just like, yeah, okay, you know, I'm driving, and everything is just nice and peaceful.
Bear in mind, I'm gonna still ask her, babe, do you want to stay?
And I was like,
I know the answer already, you know what I mean? Like,
and I wanted my coffee, so we made sure he brought me to get my coffee. And I was like, we need some food for, like, you know, to cook for Raj and that. And he's like, oh, okay, come on, let's go. And everything is just so nonchalant, and I just love that. I just love that he's so peaceful and easy to get along with and cooperative, and he doesn't have road rage, and he's just an all-around peaceful, loving husband. I just love you. Anyways, we've just arrived home. We gotta go get Rajero some
I
food.
cook some food today,
And you're gonna
guys.
cook
So
some food.
you know the style, you know. We're there on family time, man. You know my brother. They up on a lot of video shoots and stuff, so we are put in work. I put in work. So you know, I go cook some food and make sure so the family are alright. So you guys just stay tuned. Yeah. So guys, my brother bring up some stuff from Jamaica for me. Let's see what we get.
Oh, let's see.
Let's see what's in the bag.
What is all the
Don't
goodies?
look, I'm gonna show you.
Okay, we got
You know
some
what I've done
Akeen.
with the Aki, though? Yeah, so we get 3 tin of Aki.
Oh, I love me some Aki. Oh, Easter bun. I've never tried
It's been like
this.
3 years now I haven't had my Easter bun because I don't go home on Easter, right? So, yeah, Easter bun.
Oh, I'm excited to have a try that.
You know what? This cheese, as a youngster growing up, when you pair the cheese with your bun, oh my God, man. Come on, oh, man. So, babe, I'm gonna try this because she never actually
Nope.
have Easter bun, you know. So, my wife, I'm gonna try Easter bun and cheese. So, you know? Yeah. The seasoning, you know, we can't lift the seasoning. Kind of the right seasoning there, you know. So, these are the right one that's coming from Jamaica. So, yeah, of that. You know, a couple of these. I never asked for those though, but I get them, so, and the jerk. So, yeah,
Nice.
this is what we get. I'm gonna cook some food. For
Yeah.
everybody to have some food, and then, yeah. So, you know, the cooking start, but I don't know if we have cutting board or not. What you see? But just there I use my hand to make it work. You understand? Because it's an Airbnb with it in a Brampton. Place nice. I think we show you guys the place already and so forth. So a cooking time, I cook something. Make the family alright. You know?
We gotta work with what we got here.
Work with what we have. No, so
Papa Raj eating. They good?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
these ties are massive. Get these ties in. Look at these ties. They're massive. Just get these ties in Walmart just now. Oh my God. Culture here is different too, guys, because don't feel like I'm at home. There's much more black people. You understand? Yeah, it's a mixed variety of people. Indian, Syrian, black, white, you know, so yeah, I feel like I'm at home. But unfortunately it's vacation, you know, so I enjoy it while it lasts before I go back home, and yeah, just see a bit of vibe, you know, this style. First day out, and it's nice, it's beautiful. There's not a lot of traffic too, so I like that. Yeah, and baby's here with me, the family is here, so you know, I'm comfortable, you know. Yeah, and you know, Rajero come and meet his, not meet, but you know, just rekindle with his uncle. His uncle love him so much. So my uncle said to me, say, I want to see my nephew, so I had to make it happen, you know. Just fly over and yeah, make him rekindle his uncle again, and him cousin and him auntie, you know. Over there I cook some food now, okay? You know, every day I cook on the channel. Can't come here and cook for the boss, you know.
So what are you cooking, babe?
I don't know yet. I'm just getting the chicken ready, and then
Oh,
I'll
okay.
probably figure something out. But for now, I don't know yet, because
Okay.
I gotta see what's in the cupboard to cook.
Okay.
And then, you know, make up my mind. But yeah, guys, that is it, you know. Oven is a bit different too. Like this is how the oven is. This is our microwave. It's different. Yeah, and then we just have a stove top here. So it's a bit different here in Brampton.
Yeah, and so people were saying that groceries in British Columbia are expensive. Well, let me tell you, we didn't get very much at Walmart, and it came to $178. So it's not much different anywhere in Canada. A little
What?
bit of food, $178.
The gas price is different here. It's cheaper here.
Yes,
The gas
but
price are like $1.60 something. Back home it's like $2. Yeah, $2 something.
the benefit is when we're back home, everything is 5 minutes 10 minutes max.
So it work out just
It
the
works
same.
out because here, I mean, you're driving 20 minutes, half hour everywhere you go. So you're burning, you know what I mean? It equals out. So yeah. Anyway, we'll check back soon and see what Babe's going to cook.
Guys, Babe was asking about the other process of all my cutting board. So this is it, bread process. And next time you put it down like this, and you never have to move it. You understand?
Okay.
It stays steady.
Okay, I understand now.
Chicken I wash up now, guys, and you know, so I get the pot seasoned up. Real authentic Jamaican style. So stay tuned for it. Wash up the meat and all.
Some rice. Okay.
Guys, so we don't find no color, we don't find no browning. So I guess it's a different approach of a take. I will just fricassee them down. As we say, I yard fire and cook them down. You know the rest. So I get a brown. I get them slightly brown up first. And then you know, just put everything together. You know? Yeah, chicken that. And scarcity and pot of beef we also. So I cook first the chicken and then we probably cook some rice, cook some dumpling and you know, get everything on the carbo section. Stay tuned for it. That's what I want. Yeah, that's right. No.
Mr. Chef, everywhere he goes, it's Mr. Chef. Cooking for the fam. I've never seen a carrot look like this before. It's in Brampton.
Red carrot.
Oh, that's
Different.
what it is. Yeah, different. This is beautiful Kayla, aka KK. Shelly.
Use the hand make fashion.
Oh, looking good.
All the style, you know, when ram.
2026 minutes. 5. 2020. I know, you know what they want to do? Go in the dealership and say, yo, give me the Benz and then give me the Urban 2 year cab back and give them and say, yo, man, upgrade, give me the one that this. Yeah, use me, I use the system.
You making some dumpling, babe? Making some dumpling?
Yeah, man, what I really prefer to put, because as me say,
Rice ready, guys. See it? Rice is ready. Food a bubble. See that? Chicken. That is it. Use well make fashion.
yeah,
That's what
he
he said. Yeah, it's a blessing. Yeah, guys, in Brampton, I love the Brampton. There's not much traffic. The houses are nice, the houses are really beautiful, as you guys can see from yesterday. So yeah, it's a welcoming feeling, I love it, I really love it, you know. Yes, a family time, you know, food cook, great vibe, keep them alright. Me know, family.
somebody jump off already.
Yeah, man, I think I use.
At Niagara Falls?
Yeah.
Somebody jump off in it?
Yeah, they are picking them, sharing our 2 kids there.
Yeah.
Then? And then? Wow.
And she came out and she
Yeah.
in her 20s.
Love it.
Yeah,
Love
so
that.
the
That's
scene
something
of
that
that
nice.
just recently.
A setting that?
Yeah.
Every time I buy my house, I go for that settings there.
Yeah.
Can tell you that stuff. Yeah. Really and truly like a settings there. You know, TV and stuff and kids them have a good time. Right, so food done it.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Room temp.
Whoa.
Room temp for me. Thank you very much.
Give it a eat, so.
Wow, let me see. I gotta get a little look at that.
Yeah,
What?
that's lovely.
My husband can cook, let me tell ya. And what are you guys doing?
He's looking at
What are you doing? Oh, you're looking at KK's food? Or I said food. Phone? I got food on my brain.
9,
Oh.
7.
And how old are you? This is Kayla, by the way. We call her Kay. But how old are you?
I'm 14.
14. Wow. And so this is your first time in Canada? And how do you like it?
It's good.
Yeah, you didn't get much probably experience to look around too much yet, eh? But we're gonna get there. Yeah. Are you gonna come eat? Your uncle cooked some food, some good food. Oh, there's Joan, got her plate.
Yeah.
This is mine, guys.
Right.
Bacon.
Rice or
Bacon Raj's.
dumplings?
You know Raj wants dumpling for sure. Mr. Dumpling Man. You want some dumpling?
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?